My dear friends, good morning and other good evening. Maybe some of my friends are sleeping, or maybe some others are just working or having breakfast or dinner. I don't know. Anyhow, but please watch this video. That here in Bangladesh, in Dinajpur, where I reside, it is raining from the morning, at least for an hour. It is raining, drizzling sometimes, and sometimes the clouds are thundering. And so the rain is heavy rain today. So please see that the weather is very unfamiliar, unfriendly today. And please watch this video and get some experience of Bangladesh. And the people, yes, are living inside the home, in their room, and on the outside, no people are seen here. So, my dear friends, please enjoy this moment of rainy days. Here in Bangladesh, especially in Dinajpur, the rain is heavy rain from the morning, and we cannot work outside the room. Anyhow, just enjoying the rain. My dear friend, thank you. See you again and enjoy this video. Okay, thank you. I'm Thomas Kushamarandi in Dinajpur in Bangladesh. Okay, bye now.